Our plant for the production of pharmaceutical powders in Nizhny Novgorod has been working in the pharmaceutical market for more than 10 years. We use various pharmaceutical equipment that meets the requirements and standards of GMP for production, a unit for dehydration of aqueous solutions, and extracts in a fluidized bed apparatus, rotary tablet machines, an automatic line for packaging tablets into plastic film, and foil and other high-tech machines and apparatuses. Last year our enterprise started producing vitamins in capsules. We plan to fill 50 milliliters plastic containers with capsules. Capsules are used to dispense drugs in solid and liquid forms. This procedure required the purchase of additional equipment, an automatic machine for filling bottles with gelatin capsules in precise quantitative dosage. Since I had already selected many different machines for our company, I had a little experience in selecting, and remained in contact with some reliable manufacturers of machinery. I began contacting the manufacturers by telephone to find out whether they could produce a machine for filling bottles with gelatin capsules. My main criteria was that the machine had to have a capacity of at least 2,000 bottles per hour, and that it should be automatically controlled. I was not prepared to wait that long. Since I had no luck finding a manufacturer of a machine to fill bottles with gelatin capsules, I decided to take a different route and consult with professionals who work in the pharmaceutical equipment supply industry, and maybe suggest another version of the machine. I was looking online for an intermediary from Russia, because I once had a bad experience delivering equipment from a Chinese intermediary when a powder filling line was brought to us, but there were no installation documents or technical data sheet. It took us a long time to set up the line. We consulted with the manufacturers on the phone, although they were reluctant to talk to us. I chose 3 vendors online. I looked at the firm's time in the pharmaceutical supply market, the company's website, and the machine's delivery terms as criteria. All the companies I called to make sure of the professionalism of their managers. A specialist from one company said to wait for 5 minutes, but she never listened to me. I didn't like such attitude to the customer. The manager of another company from Kaliningrad talked to me politely, asked questions about the necessary performance equipment, the desired production time. In 5 days I got 6 variants of different machines for filling plastic bottles with capsules, and an offer to make a choice by myself. I realized that they did not have a professional approach, and would not help me with the solution of finding the equipment. The third option of an intermediary from Moscow turned out to be successful for me. The manager, a man, talked to me like a professional. He asked me specific questions about the desired capacity of the machine, bottle size, told me about the terms of delivery. During the consulting stage he suggested a machine for filling pills and capsules with a capacity of 100 vials per minute. Within a week we concluded a contract for the supply of the presented equipment. The company specialist offered to test the machine and asked to send bottles, our white and green capsules. The manager informed us about the degree of readiness of the machine 2 weeks before delivery, and sent a video where we could see our equipment. The machine has 4 dispensers, a hopper for loading hard gelatin capsules, and an adjustable rate for feeding the capsules into plastic containers. The body of the counter is made of stainless steel. There are 2 buttons on the control panel. One turns the machine on and off. The second, the vibratory feeding of capsules from the hopper. A month after signing the contract, we received the gelatin capsule counter. The manager provided the manufacturer's warranty, technical passport of the equipment, drawings and operating instructions. We assembled the machine and trained the workers, who would be assigned to the machine in a week.